Hello students, in this video we will see the sound of OO, that is in our happy reading series. Next sound of double O. Phonics sound of double O is oo. It sounds oo. So ook, book. H ook, who. K ook, cook. L ook, look. N ook, nook. BR, it sounds br, ook, brook. Now next is double OM, means room, boom, doom. BL, bloom, moon, soon, noon. Always read with segmentation for easy learning. Cool, school. Full, pool. Tool. Stool. Now next is good, food, hood, wood, mood, stood. Now complete the words with inserting O. BOO, book, wool, moon. Complete the words with proper meaning. Food. So, in this video, we will learn the sound of OO, that is double O. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye-bye.